Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain how to fix that now. So most people will think when you open the hood, by the way, it doesn't matter if it's a V6 or V8, when you open the hood they will think that the fuse is somewhere here in that fuse box, right? But it's not, guys, because the diagnostic port is part of the body control module one or another way, and it will be related to a different fuse box that's hidden. Now we have here a car has been a little bit of an accident, but nothing terrible. We will be rebuilding it soon. Now we have the plastic here removed, but the diagnostic port will be, guys, okay, right there. Check this thing out. So if yours, guys, when you connect it here, okay, if yours doesn't work, when you plug it in, you don't get power to the scanner and you wonder what causes that, okay, let's explain that in this video today. That fuse, guys, okay, that's you're trying to find is actually in the trunk of your Dodge Challenger. So we'll need to come all the way to the back, okay, right here. In the trunk, under the cover, next to your spare tire and car battery, you have one fuse box. That fuse box right here. Press that thing and pull it open like that on one side and lift it up. Now, here we need to talk about the fuses, guys. So let's talk why it's super important to test fuses. Some people will try to see if the fuse is burned through the glass or through the fuse itself, if it's a little fuses, and sometimes you cannot clearly see that these fuses are burned. So what we will recommend, guys, in that case, we'll recommend to always test fuses, always test relays, and we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy fuses and relays for a really good price, okay, and you can, guys, save quite a bit of money. So talking about that now, guys, where is that fuse? That fuse is at a location, okay, that's a little bit to the right side, right here, that block with little fuses right here that we're talking about now. You can see we'll be checking fuse number 23, or the second fuse right there from left to right. 1, 2, that 10M fuse is the one that we need to check. You can see that 10M fuse. This is a 10M red fuse, so we'll just go ahead, grab it and pull it out now. If you need to buy a replacement fuse for a good price and quick shipping, okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can see how it's unclear sometimes if it's burnt or not, so always check them, guys, to make sure that you don't put a bad fuse, you thought it was good, and you keep spending time and money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.